Today topic is may. May refers to noun and verb. May refers to noun and verb. Noun means fifth month of year. Okay, May is a noun. Meaning is fifth month of year. Second meaning is may refers to modal verb. May refers to modal verb. For example, I may meet you. నేను కలవచ్చు. You may meet your friends. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ని కలవచ్చు. Second uses may plus be means possibility come state. You may be at your school. మీ స్కూల్ దగ్గర ఉండవచ్చు. You may be at your office. మీరు ఆఫీస్ దగ్గర ఉండవచ్చు. You may be at టెంపుల్ దగ్గర ఉండవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ may plus have. May plus have possibility come possessing. You may have good friends. మీకు మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ కలిగి ఉండవచ్చు. You may have good parents. మీకు మంచి పేరెంట్స్ కలిగి ఉండవచ్చు. Another one is may plus have plus V3. Possibility come perfect. Possibility come perfect action. You may have completed your work. మీరు మీ పనిని కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఉండవచ్చు. Coming examples are, it refers to permission. It refers to permission. May I come in, sir? May I go out, sir? Okay, you may use can I go? Can I go, sir? Can I come in, sir? Those are also permission. May I come in, sir is formal, more formal compared to can I come. Another usage of may is wish. May God bless you. May God bless you, that is wish. భగవంతుడు నిన్ను ఆశీర్వదించుగాక. Okay, these are the examples for may. These are the usage of may. Understand? See once, may refers to noun, fifth month. May refers to modal verb. Okay, I may help you. Maybe refers to stating verb. May have refers to possessing. May have plus V3 perfect action. Examples are given. I may meet you. నేను నీకు కలవచ్చు. I may be at school. స్కూల్ దగ్గర ఉండవచ్చు నేను. You may have good friends. మీకు మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ కలిగి ఉండవచ్చు. You may have done the work. ఆ వర్క్ ని మీరు చేసి ఉండవచ్చు. May God bless you. Wishing. May God bless you. Wishing. May I use your book? May go. May I come in, sir? These are the uses of modal verb. For all pronouns, you may apply may. Example, I may, ye may, she may, it may, you may, they may, like that. Okay? Subject plus may plus V1. Subject plus may plus verb form 1. That is about may. Okay, now we can discuss might. Okay, listen well. Now about might. What is might? What is might? Might is past form of may. It refers to possibility in the past. Okay, I might meet you. నేను కలిసి ఉండవచ్చు. I might done the work yesterday. నేను ఆ వర్క్ ని పూర్తి చేసి ఉండవచ్చు. It refers to past action only. Might plus be refers to possibility come stating. I might be there yesterday. I might be there yesterday. నేను నిన్న ఉండవచ్చు. Might plus have means what? Possessing. You might have good friends. నువ్వు గతంలో మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ ని కలిగి ఉండవచ్చు. ఓకే, might plus have plus V3. Possessing plus perfect action. You might have done the work. నీవు ఆ పని పూర్తి చేసి ఉండవచ్చు. Here, you might have done the work. నీవు ఆ పని పూర్తి చేసి ఉండవచ్చు. When it was in the past. Okay, usage of might, last one is, it is used in indirect speech also. For example, he said I may come. Indirect speech is, he said that he might come. may changed as might in the indirect speech. These are the usage of might. Understand? See meanings. I might meet you. నేను నీకు కలిసి ఉండవచ్చు. You might be there yesterday. మీరు నిన్న ఉండవచ్చు అక్కడ. You might have the book. నీ దగ్గర బుక్ ఉండవచ్చు. You might have done the work. నీవు ఆ పనిని పూర్తి చేసి ఉండవచ్చు. He said that he might come. అతను చెప్పాడు. అతను వచ్చి ఉండవచ్చు అని చెప్పాడు. Understand? For all pronouns, might should be applied. Example, he might, she might, it might, they might, like that you may apply. These are the uses of may and might. Okay? For coming class, you have to discuss remaining helping verbs.